Budgie breeder one with budgie breeding fun. Budgie breeder one with lots of budgie fun. Oh yeah, you got this too. Welcome back, Budgie breeder one here. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have saw that I posted a picture of Sky. She has a swollen fatty tumor on her abdomen. And I don't like talking about stuff like this, but I'm just making this video so you guys in the future won't spam my comments like, what is that on her abdomen? Budgies are prone to fatty tumors and cancers. I don't think it's cancer, and I don't like saying that word either. I don't think it's that. I think it's just a normal tumor that she has grown. I guess I can show you. It ain't even focused. That's what it looks like. I think she's gonna be okay. She doesn't seem like she's bothered about it, or at least not right now, but like, she's in a tough situation. Like, if I were to take her to the vet, which I don't have one, and get it surgically removed, the risk of her dying from the surgery is much higher from her actually dying from the tumor. So I hope you guys can hear me. They're like loud right now. I should just let them out and let them fly anyways, because I didn't let them out yet. So yeah, like, if I were to take her to the surgery to get a surgery and remove it, like, budgies, they are like, you can get out too because it's freaking loud. Somebody just lost a feather. Wow. Budgies, what was I saying? I just lost track. Oh, if I were to get it surgically removed, the chances of her dying from the surgery is much higher than her actually dying from the tumor. So the only thing I can do is just let her be. But if I see her in pain, then I'll probably have to euthanize her. I don't even feel like talking about it anymore. So you guys know now, and yeah, that's that. So next thing I want to talk about is a giveaway that I will be doing when we reach 100. I just said 100. I was about to say 100K. 1K. I will be doing a giveaway. I will try to make a poll on YouTube and ask you guys what you would like, or you can comment some stuff down below of what you would like to win. And that's basically, the eggs. I forgot to show you the eggs. Okay, I'm about to show you what's happening now. We might have some early arrivals. So yeah. So we might be having some early arrivals. It's definitely this one. You can see it because it has like a brown tint. Well, I don't think you can see it. Let me take the nest box off the cage for a sec. She has a nice nest going on, but that's not what I was trying to tell you. I don't know if you can see. You definitely can't see because I'm shaking the camera. Let me sit this in my lap and sit down. Don't want to have any accidents. I could have swore I saw an egg with a pip in it. And the pip is just like a little tap in the egg on the, it got to be this one because I can see like the brown part. Yes, this one. It has a pip. and I can feel it tapping now as I'm holding it. I can feel the egg moving. I'm getting a little nervous. I might want to sit down in a second. I don't think you're going to be able to see it. And it won't even focus. And I feel this baby in here trying to get out as I'm holding it. But yeah, you can see like it's a brownish. It has a brown ring around like that. Like you can sort of see it has a brown ring. And that's basically gonna show up when they're ready to hatch. I'm gonna candle it so you can see what I mean by pipping. And it's basically when the baby head is positioned like in the, and when you give him real birth, like the head faces towards the exit part. Well, his head and his body is facing towards the exit part. Or what am I talking about?
We don't know. We don't know.
He is basically pushing his way through the air sac, and that's getting him ready to hatch. So he's basically busting the air sac membrane and just chilling up here, breathing air and pecking holes, and he'll soon fully hatch. And he's just breathing through this part. So that's what pipping is when they come up from the bottom to the air sac and pip a hole at the air sac. So yeah, hope I explained that right. I'm gonna candle and show you guys.
Please do, because we don't know what you're talking about.
It's happening right now. I hope you can see. It's definitely moving inside of there. You can see it moving. And I hope this camera doesn't make me sound very close to the mic, because it picks up a lot of sound, I've noticed. And I really don't even be talking loud, but that's just how this camera is. So that's what a pipped egg looks like, and I still feel it trying to crack and break through. It should be here by later on tonight. This is what a non-pipped egg looks like. It still has air sac that's not being pipped, and the air sac is clear. Oh Lord. So that's a clear one, as no baby head is poked through the clear part at the top. And back to the pip one. I'm trying to do this. I have one hand, so bear with me. You see that oh my god. You see that the baby has pipped his head through the clear part where it was all white. Well, the head is poked through and now it's trying to get out. So yeah, that's it. You guys will know what I'm talking about when tonight comes and you see the baby. That's it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also, tell me what you guys would like to see and what kind of projects do you think I should do for the giveaway and stuff for the giveaway. So let me know. These are her 5 eggs, and yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. I think I already said that. And let me know what you guys want for the giveaway. Like, I think I'll only be picking one person, but I might pick 2. So it depends. So you guys let me know. I'll be checking to see who's active and leaving nice comments. And also, I'll just make up the rules as we get to closer to 1K. And yeah, that's just about it. See you guys later.